Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace your solution tank drain hose. Super simple. Same thing, go ahead and loosen the hose clamp that's down here at the bottom. It's the same hose clamp as the one that's on the recovery tank drain hose. Pull it down from the top, and then remove it from the machine. Now, to install it, just reverse your steps, put it back on the bottom part of your machine, hook it back up in its latch, and tighten the hose clamp back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.